Today, we're going to learn how to make an origami flamingo. You need a square sheet of paper for that. Now, if you don't have one, I'm going to show you quickly how to get one right now. If you're a child, get an adult to help you with this next part because it is dangerous. We're going to be using scissors. So you're going to fold it diagonally, like that. You're going to want to cut off this extra piece. You want to make sure that it's nice and even from corner all the way along this edge. You want to cut nice and even along here. The more you get that nice and even, the more straight your square piece of paper is going to be, which will make your folds easier. Now, once you're done that, you should end up with a square piece of paper. Now, we're going to want to fold this in half diagonally, corner to corner. And then you're going to want to unfold it. Then you're going to want to fold each side along that crease we made, nice and even. Like that. Now, you're going to want to fold this pretty much into the center. Same with the other side. Then you want to do this. Open it. You want to open it kind of thing, and you want to fold it. Like that, I think. So we're going to fold it this way, backwards. Okay, so pocket fold into the dotted line like that. Sorry guys, I didn't fold that in far enough. So you fold it right into the center line. Okay. All right. Now, you're going to flip it over and you're going to fold it backwards. Okay. Next, we're going to have it up like this. So, fold it. So, fold to make a crease and fold it back. take it, and from this diagonal line, you're going to want to fold it upwards just to make a crease and fold it back. Now we got a cornerways crease, and now you're going to want to fold it backwards, kind of hood fold it. See, just like that. Right? And then we're going to pocket fold inwards. So we're going to take this, I'm going to fold this. So we'll take this end piece, fold it, inwards, right? Oh, too far. And then you're going to take this part and you're going to pocket fold it too. Wait, how does that work? There. Here, this wasn't folded down far enough. So we're going to fold this down farther, just like that. Now, let's see. They have like a beak that's black, right? And then they usually have like what? A line, is it? And then they usually have their eyeball right behind that. Whoops. And then, let's see, they have like feathers kind of thing, and they're usually pink. So I'm going to take something pink here. We're going to draw some pink on this. Okay. And there we go. we got our pink flamingo. Can't see the pink too well on that, but it does show up nicely in real life. There we go. Maybe you can see it now. Not a very good artist, but hey, it is what it is. Alright. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Have a great day.